welcome back to my channel. This intro clip is gonna look a little bit different than the rest of the video, but that's because when I originally filmed this, it turns out this whole beginning part, my mic was muted or something was muted. I don't know what happened, so I had to re-record this, so bear with me for a little bit. Today we have V1's most recent comeback, You Had Me at Hello, and I am so excited. So originally I was going to plan on showing some restraint in ordering this because I kind of went ham on Youth in the Shade and then slowly started pulling back with Melting Point, but some of the pre-order benefits, like, I am whipped for, so I had to, right? So today we have the photo book version, Sunshower and Eclipse, and I ordered these from Makestar. So these came with the detective pre-order benefits, and this is like one of the themes that I had to get. Like, I am obsessed with gray plaid and mystery, so I caved. I had to get all my members, so that's what I did. Let's take a look at the photo cards that I wanted so badly. It just looks so good. I was so excited to open these. Like, I'm a sucker for gray plaid. I just think it looks so good and they look so good. And I also really like how, oh, look at him. All the cards are different. Like, they all posed very differently with the props. Like, where is it? Gunwook and Gyuvin like really like utilized it differently, and I just think it's like, it's so unique and really cute, and I love it. Oh, I love this theme so much. Okay, took off all the plastic from all of them, so let's start off with Sunshower version. Take out the inclusion, slide that out. Okay. This version nicely goes with what's on my other hand, and this is like more of like a mermaidy, fun, like oceany color, so perfect for you know, summertime fun. So ethereal, so beautiful. I like it with the random like glossy pages. Like, it adds such a nice like texture as I'm like flipping through. Like, wow. Ricky's hair being like bright red is such like a, it's so pleasing to my eyes because it's like a nice contrast from like the kind of darker, like the light blue, and like it's so like so much more muted, and his hair just like popping out. It's just so pleasing to me. Yeah, like these like glossy pages, like it just feels, it's very pleasing, like these like different textures. Like, I'm talking about this like I'm talking about food, but I mean, they are indeed eating, so it is food, I guess. cute. That's CD. Okay, now take a look at the inclusions. Group poster. I should have done it the other way. Well, we saw that. So the forecut is how. Stickers is, go closer to the camera. Stickers we have how, Matthew, Jiwoong, and Hanbin. Polaroid, Jiwoong. Oh, this is a good picture of him. Oh, and for we have Hanbin. Oh, he's so cute. He's blinking, or just has his eyes closed. But he's cute regardless. Okay, let's look at the inclusions for the other ones. So, open it like this. Have Yujin. Same thing. How, Matthew, Jiwoong, and Hanbin. Hanbin. Ooh, look at that. Look at orange juice. Then he's vitamin C. And where's the photo card? Oh, it's still in here. And Ricky. Cute. Okay, next one. Grab everything this time. First up, another how. Another one of these. So same thing. How, Matthew, Jiwoong, and Hanbin. 2, 1. Gunwook. And Jiwoong. Cute. Cutie. Okay. This is like all over the place. Hold up. There we go. A little better. Okay. Oops. Oh, I think the photo card's still on there. I'll get it afterwards. First up, gyuvin. Oh, I need more space here. A new one! And this one is the rest of them, so Yujin, Taerae, Gyuvin, Ricky, and gunwook. And for the Polaroid, Matthew! Cute, cutie. Alright, let me get the photo card out from here. Oh! How? And last one, you know, pray for Taerae, you know. Okay. First up, we have Taerae! The rubbings work, you know? Okay. Next, we have the 4 set. Let me cover this up. Yujin! Cutie with the flower. Cute. And for the photo card, we have Ricky. Okay. So now on to Eclipse version. Okay, let's check out the inclusions. Here we go. And I'm guessing, okay, yes. Couldn't really tell like which is the front and which is the back, except like you just know where the CD is. So. He just looks so cool. Wow. Like, Wow. I also just really like this kind of like effect of like the elongated exposure in like city scenes. I just think it's so pretty. Looks so good. Like, wow, these are some cool guys. And again, with like the different textures, so like these are a little more glossy, and now this is a more like matte texture. It's just really nice to like have that kind of like differences, and feeling like as you're flipping through the book, it just feels like exciting, like new experiences. Like I like cannot speak. It's terrible. But yeah, I just think it's like really nice to like not have the same finish of paper all throughout the photo book. Like it being different is a fun addition. Oh, look at him. I like the little detail of the little white in his hair. Wow. Look at those eyes. Now kiss. Now kiss. And now they're kissing. I'm so dumb. Oh my god, the choice of like color on this shirt makes it look like this is a chest tattoo. Wow, the styling on that. Oh, what are they doing? Yeah, look at this. The shirt color, like on a closer up picture, like it's not as the same color as the skin, but in the smaller picture, it definitely looked like it was the same color as the skin. Wow, look at these cool guys. Also, it's really funny how like where the CD cutout is, it's like cuts right through Gunwook's chest. Okay. Let's take a look at the inclusions. Fold the coaster. Okay. We have how? Flip that over. SD cards. And this unit photo card is Gunwook, Matthew, and Yujin. And for my photo card, I have Yujin. Cute. Okay, now for the other ones. Should I everything? Have Ricky. Two. No one. Oh, stickers. For this unit, I have How and Taerae. Oh, I literally can. How and Taerae. And for the photo card, I have Yujin again. Okay. Postcard. Gyuvin. And there's the sticker. I'll flip this over. There's the stickers. The unit card, I have Ricky and Hanbin. Okay. And for the photo card, I have another Yujin. Okay. Okay, so let's do what we did in the last one, you know, pray for Taerae. Okay. Another Ricky. That over. These are the stickers. Here for the unit photo card, Matthew Gunwook and Yujin. And for the photo card, another Yujin. Wow. Hold up. That's just so funny seeing them all together. So these are my pulls for the Sunshower and Eclipse version of the ones you had me at hello. You know, I wonder if the universe is telling me that I should have gotten a 5th Eclipse version because I pulled a Taerae on my 5th Sunshower version, but I also pulled Taerae on, what was it, my 3rd or 2nd Eclipse version. So it's like I'm not Taerae-less in this pulls, but I will have everything that I am trading up on my Instagram, link down below. I will be unboxing soon the Polka version as well as the limited version. I bought those from Kpop USA, so they are coming shortly. Actually, I think I have them downstairs. I have to go check my mail. I will not have an unboxing up for the digipacks. I did join a group order for that, so that way I can get as many pre-order benefits as possible for Taerae. Look forward to the other two coming soon, the limited version as well as the Polka one. I made sure to try to pre-order it with the fun collector's box, so let's see, crossing your fingers that it did come with that. But for now, that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this, as always, slightly chaotic unboxing, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.